Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you a very quick tip for i3 development, which I am glad I developed because it was the problem was just too irritating at this point. So let's say you have a setup with Tmux, and this could apply to any other setup. Let's say you have a setup with Tmux, and on one window you are programming, doing your things and so on. Then on the other one, you are building, you are compiling, and you're actually running and testing the thing, the project. So let's see where we run the project, and this is what happens. It spawns it side by side. It splits the thing like i3 is supposed to do always. But in this case, I see it more of as an inconvenience rather than anything useful, because I want this to be full screen or to be at least floating, because it's a graphical window and I like floating graphical windows rather than just have them like this because it's ugly as fuck. So what we could do is, for example, we could just move it out of the way into another workspace, but I have to do that every time. I'm not a fan of that. I don't want to have to move the window every time I spawn it. So just a quick solution to this is what I developed, which is using the i3 message API. You simply do workspace and then the name of the workspace you want to teleport to. Oh wait, sorry, that was the wrong one. Graphical. So yeah, the 9th graphical workspace. And you do this before running your program. And this is a solution, this is a potential solution that we could use. And you tweak your things, you do your stuff, and then you move back or close and move back to the previous workspace and continue working. But this poses another question. Could I make this even better? Could I make it so that it switches automatically to the previous development workspace after I close this program or after it crashes? And the answer is simply yes. You can just append at the end another command of i3 message workspace, which will switch back to the development workspace, which is 7x. And this works wonderfully. So let's say we're doing this, we're testing the amplitude, the time boost, whatever, and then I choose some sampling rate and it crashes. Okay, and then it closed the application and it automatically throws me back to the development workspace. And this could even work if you, for example, want to test some parameter. I don't know, you do something and then you close it and it automatically sends me to the development workspace. So yeah, it works wonderfully. You could even make an alias for this, like for example, alias run, and boom, we have an alias. You can just now type run and it will do this automatically for you, or even better, just R for saving those two key presses, and you can switch. You have a good workflow. You just switch back and forth, type R, and boom, boom, boom. And it's very nice. It's very quick, effective. So that's why I like it, and I wanted to share it with you.